Hello everyone, Dr. Casen and Dr. Aimee coming to you from Westlake, Ohio. And we're really excited to share with you some exciting tips on how to decrease stress. So, Dr. Aimee, I know we have a lot of questions that we've been working on, especially with women in this season. So, what is stress and how does it affect our body?
You know, it's a really great question, Dr. Casen. We do see a lot of people in our office who have been extra stressed lately. So that stress can come from a lot of different places, our experiences, our environments, the world around us, even the food that we put into our body can cause stress. And so that can come from a lot of places and present itself in a lot of different ways that we see in our office too.
Now, what do you have right there? So this is a common thing that we see, especially with women, that they're having some extra stress in their body and they really want to work on maybe assessing other factors.
So believe it or not, this is a model of 5 pounds of fat. One of the things that we'll see is excessive amounts of fat in the body when we have that extra stress. And especially for women, that's what we see. So we don't want to have this on our bodies. So we work with ladies in the community in a variety of ways to be able to help them with decreasing their stress and being able to address the ways that it impacts their bodies in a positive way.
So what do you do? And I know this is a question sometimes when we're working with women in our office. What do you do when you have a stressful situation? Or I know right now in different seasons of life, and whenever you're watching this video, you might feel like you have a lot of plates that you're juggling in the air and you just don't know what to do. What would you recommend? What's the starting point? What should someone do if they have a lot going on?
You know, there are a lot of different pieces of advice out there that you can find on the internet. One of the easiest things that you can do is just take a deep breath. So it's really important to be able to remember to breathe. I know that we're here to help people, so if you feel lost, if you feel overwhelmed in your life with all of the stress, you don't know what to do, you can feel the tension in your shoulders, that's where you're carrying this extra stress, you can schedule an appointment in our office and we're certainly here to help you and make personalized recommendations even for people based on what's going on in their life and what would be really important and effective for them specifically.
And you brought up a great point, Dr. Aimee. Your nervous system, which is inside your spine, controls everything. So you may have extra stress in your body because of how your spine is out of position. So I know that's also something. And as we're talking about decreasing stress naturally, what are some other drugless things that people can do to decrease stress in their life, Dr. Aimee?
Absolutely, great question. So we highly recommend having your nervous system balanced. That's what we do in our office, is one of the things that we offer service chiropractically, to be able to balance your nervous system with a spinal adjustment. It's very simple and effective, and it's very gentle as well, because I know that we want to make sure that we're helping people in the most effective way. Yoga could be something that could be stress reducing for yourself. I know that we look at people's diet and their food choices, especially this time of year as we're rolling into the holidays. It's going to be important to watch what we're putting into our bodies to reduce stress and to be able to help with the stress that we already have.
And you also brought up a good point. Holidays. There's always a holiday. So whether it's a birthday, a surprise party, a gathering, maybe you're traveling and you have other choices. So these are all things to be really mindful in. So I encourage you, watch our upcoming videos. I know we are really looking forward to seeing how we can help you and make a difference in your life.